I'm so bored, my mom takes me to Big Bite. And how can I say Big Bite while I bite this? Sorry guys, because my voice is so low because these trucks look so noisy outside. It tastes good. And I have here a strawberry vanilla ice cream. The saucing is just strawberry. And I'm sorry guys because I'm Filipino and so many people is speaking now. Let's eat. Make it so hot. Guys, there's a house and you can't see it. There's so much cheese in it. Let's eat. And inside of it. This is the inside of the chicken nugget. Oh my god, there's people. Natural. Iba. Natural. Don't be scared of people when you have a gun. I wish that the painting was rainbow. So I'm drinking the ice cream. Sorry guys because you sees me and I bited the tower. Where is the tower? Oops, I'm gonna eat some. If you do not finish your food, your mom won't buy your food. If you finish your food, she's gonna buy you food again. Because guys, I love this Big Bite. Guys, there's two tabs in one of the arms. Because guys, there's cups here like this. There's marches and fries. Like barely it can fit on my mouth. Guys, I never ate fast before. Now I eat fast. I was looking there because I wanted to see the whole family of anything, and also some tricycles like that. I'm talking too much now. Like we're gonna eat some ice cream here. Look like I'm drinking a strawberry because I'm a strawberry girl and I eat strawberry and like ice cream, and also there's ice cream. That's a funny joke, guys. So guys, she didn't understand me. I said, so I show. I'm sorry guys because I don't know the word again and I just say. What? Did this just turn off?
No.
Because it was having more views than I watched. What? No. I eat so many fries. I could eat this whole. I look like I'm let's eat. The fries are almost gonna be finished. Time to finish our nuggets. is gonna be for dessert. So guys, I'm finished. And ice cream and candies are just not finished. So let's finish up the ice. What a failure. Kaya mo mag-bike?
Barbecue ko na. Ibubutan.